was first? I don't remember. Okay,
All
ask.
right.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Sorry, quick question. Let's say a person sleeps at night and he wakes up in the middle of the night and he wants to drink water. The cup is next to him, obviously covered. Does he have to say blessing? And if he does he have to get dressed, get up, put a kippah on, and say the blessing?
Okay, so the question is, what is the prerequisite for a blessing? So okay, so to answer your question, yes, he must cover his head. I say must. It's very, very proper. But if after the fact, if person say blessing without covering his head, after the fact there is the blessing is still valid and he can still drink the water. Does he has to dress up? No. So if his private parts are covered, like if his trunks, there is no problem whatsoever. He can say the blessing. Is it proper to put the bed sheet on top or a blanket? Yeah, it would be proper, but again, halakhically speaking, not strictly necessary.
But can he say the blessing like half sitting, or yes?
Half sitting. Yes, absolutely. There is no problem. No problem, sir.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Okay, and another just quickly, I would just want to add. So and just make sure that you're not facing your wife, right? So it's so if you like facing the wall, that there is no problem. So when prerequisites for saying the blessing for a nakedness defines differently for men and women, and with one gender and different genders. So that's a difference.